We're at an old farmhouse in France that I rent. I'm from Minnesota, and I want to show you what I've learned about moving and rebuilding an AGA stove. The stove is from about 2008. I found it online at Le Bon Coin in Paris and agreed to buy it for 2,000 euros. And then I found that it would take 4,000 or 4,200 euros, around 40, almost $5,000 now, to move it, to disassemble it, move it, and rebuild it. So I decided I would try it myself. So there are some parts lying around. The doors are there. Those just lift off. Those are easy. I've got 2 boxes of small screws, bolts, you name it, and I still need to figure out where those go. Those are just trim pieces. Those are the hobs, go on top, easy to put back. I've got insulation lying around, door gaskets. That piece goes on the very top before the top of the stove is fastened down. That's the front of the warming oven, which is this piece to the left, which is separate. You can see it at the base there from the stove itself. This is the front of the stove. The idea of these is pretty simple, that there are rods. There's one that connect the base, which is 2 parts, to the top. And everything else is held in place. Friction, bolts. Who knows? Okay, so this is the lower right oven, which was pretty straightforward to take out and reinstall. These are the electronics. This is an electric stove only. I'll show you the electronics in a second. These are the electronics. This is the heating element, which I believe is fragile. It's sitting on a base of something that's quite fragile. This is the front of the control box. These are the inside parts. I was told by the owner that it cost $1,600 to replace that circuit board. This is part of the temperature display, and there's a thermocouple in it, I believe. So all of those electronics, except for the display, go in that box. This is the base of the stove. Each part, the warming oven and the stove, have 2 very heavy, solid bases, one on top of the other. That little piece of sheet metal provides some access, but not enough. And then there's another one to the right, a bigger one. Once you have the plate down, the base plate, there are 3 big pegs, studs on each side that are adjustable. And those allow you to level the stove if necessary. We installed the warming oven first because it was the easiest. And then we began working on the other parts, left to right. There's a casting behind that sheet metal, and this pot sits on top, and the heating element goes back there. I've put some insulation in between the rope, fiberglass rope, to raise it just a little bit, because there's a screw, a stud right there